Family owned and operated since 2001, Parco Inc. has been a leading provider of innovative T-slotted aluminum solutions and products for the manufacturing, medical, automotive, and other industries. With a 65,000 square foot facility located in Fort Wayne, Indiana, we provide a customer-friendly one-stop shop experience all the way from design assistance to fabrication to assembly. Our warehouse is home to thousands of component parts for any number of applications, including fasteners, brackets, joining plates, hinges, handles, mounting blocks, and a vast array of other options. We inventory and offer numerous options for plastic sheeting, aluminum plates, and wire mesh paneling, along with over 120 different T-slotted aluminum extrusion profiles. Our sales team has combined 65+ years of experience in the industry. We know T-slotted aluminum. Along with our extensive inventory, we're a full-service fabrication shop and can help with all of your machining requirements. With multiple cut-off saws, linear CNC profile machines, and CNC table routers, we're able to provide high-precision machining functions for extrusions and panels each and every time. Cut to length, drilling, milling, tapping, counterboring, and custom machining are all standard for us. Need help putting your project together? Our team of skilled assemblers can help. We specialize in building custom assemblies, ranging from workstations and tables, to climate-controlled enclosures, to material handling carts, to perimeter guarding, to fixtures and machine bases. We've put together thousands of projects over the last 20 years, and we know the importance of attention to detail and building per your specs. For projects not requiring additional assembly, we'll ship all of the required component parts and materials conveniently labeled and accompanied with tagged drawings and parts lists. Our kitting service reduces lead times and helps save on shipping and labor expenses. Whether it's a small UPS parcel shipment of just a few items or a large pallet containing multiple kits, we've got you covered. Need design assistance? Our dedicated staff of drafters is on hand and ready to help at no extra cost. Using our proprietary SolidWorks plugin, we can take your solution or idea all the way from concept to reality. Next time you have a project requiring T-slotted aluminum application, feel free to give us a shout, email our sales team, or order directly off our online store.